we are importing some packages or library. So today I'm going to explain this particular line to you. Let us start it. So here it is, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now here I am having one document, and in this document I have explained each and everything. So there we show import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now what is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a Python library. So whenever we draw something on the paper for mathematics, we use our pen and all these things with the help of pen. But here in computer, if we need to draw those kind of graphs, basically we need some module, packages, libraries, method, function. Correct. Now in this computer, if I want to draw bar chart, line chart, pie chart, all these kind of graphs, I need few kind of softwares. So this Matplotlib is nothing but collection of those kind of methods, functions, which will help us to draw line, bar, pie, this kind of graphs. What is import, correct? So the word import means importing something, bringing something from outside. So when we write this kind of program, basically with the help of import, we try to say whatever the package we need, we want to bring it into that particular program. So here in this program, if I show you, here, this is my local program, but in this program, I have to use this kind of methods like dot bar, dot show. These are the methods. This will perform something. This dot bar will do nothing, but it will create our bar chart. But these are the part of PLT. I will explain more. So with the help of this import matplotlib.pyplot, basically we are bringing all these kind of methods into my program. Now what is pyplot? There you saw it is matplotlib.pyplot. See, matplotlib is a huge packet. It's having lots of things. But what do we need to do? We need to draw some graph, and to draw those graph, there is a sub package of matplotlib. It is nothing but pyplot. So here you can see matplotlib.pyplot. So pyplot is a sub package of matplotlib, or we can say module. Module is nothing but collection of your methods, functions, variables, other things which we can use. Correct. So like this dot bar method. In this method, with the help of this method, we'll be creating bar graph, and this bar method is part of pyplot. So here what we are doing, instead of importing everything from Matplotlib, we are importing those necessary methods or modules which we need to draw this kind of graph. So simply I am importing pyplot from Matplotlib. That is the purpose of dot. So from here you can say pyplot is the sub part of Matplotlib. So what this pyplot is having? This pyplot is having this kind of methods: plot, bar, pie, show. This kind of methods we need to use to draw our graph. I'll show you that one. What is the purpose of PLT? Here you can see, till here it is okay that I am importing pyplot from Matplotlib into my program. But what is as PLT? See, I told you these methods are part of pyplot, correct? So here we could have written like pyplot.plt because this bar method is part of pyplot. Now programmers are very lazy, believe me. They always want a shortcut. So what we have done here, we have given a short name of pyplot. You can give any name, XYZ, any name. So now this PLT is representing pyplot. So instead of pyplot, here we can write PLT. It will save our time. So now the complete meaning is import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT means bring the graph drawing module from Matplotlib into the program and use it with the short name PLT. Now, if I come back to my program, so this is the first line, I have explained it. Now here you can see that I have taken two lists. One is sub, which is representing my subject, math, physics, chemistry, and another one is marks. So the marks of math is 80, physics 85, and chemistry 75. How we can draw a bar graph from it? It is so simple. My main package or module is PLT, and that PLT is having lots of methods which we need to use to create this graph, as I told you. So the first method I have used, that is dot bar. And there I have passed subject, comma, marks. Now to draw a graph, there will be x-axis and y-axis. The first one will represent the x-axis and the second one will represent the y-axis. Okay, here I have done it. But believe me, in programming, everything is an action. So computer program will internally do all these things. But to showcase into the console or monitor, we need to execute this program, plt.show. So let me execute this program. Here you will get one interesting error. So here it is saying no module name Matplotlib. See, here we have imported Matplotlib, but it is saying it is not available in your computer. So what do we need to do? We need to first install this Matplotlib into our computer. For that, what we need to do? Simply go to command line. So in this command line, you can execute one command, that is pip install Matplotlib. It should be available in your computer. Then only it will be able to import into your program. So let me execute this. It will take some time. So here installation is done. Now we'll go back to our program. Now I have installed this particular package or library. If I execute my program now, so here we can see our bar graph. X-axis, it is representing my subjects, math, physics, chemistry, and y-axis, it is representing the marks. So for math, it is 80, for physics, it is 85, and for chemistry, it is 70. So this is our graph. But can you see here, we are missing something in this graph. We need to add titles, otherwise it will not be self-explanatory. So we'll do that. Let me close this one. Now what we'll do, we'll try to add few more extra details into this program. So see, everything we need to do from PLT. So PLT is having all the tools which we need to use. So PLT.x level. I'm going to set my x level. So x level is nothing but my subjects. You can give any name as per your graph. PLT.y level is nothing but marks. Okay, so let me execute this one now. So here you can see my graph is having proper details. So this axis is representing subject and this axis is representing marks. But here we need to give some title because title helps us initially to find out which kind of graph it is. So same thing. Let us do here. PLT dot title. I have given here marks details. Now if I execute this one, so here you can see now my graph is complete. It's having all the details, x-axis subject, y-axis marks and marks details. Correct. You can put anything as per your requirement. So in this way, we can create a bar graph with the help of matplotlib.pyplot. Hope you got the concept. If Still, you have any queries or any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.